Welcome back, y'all. Y'all, this is exciting. I have not done this in a while. It's been quite some time since I've really decorated a room, and I'm just having a ball shopping and doing these little hauls. So, y'all, today, this is like a straight pillow haul plus one more item. Y'all, it's hard for me when I go out, if I'm working on something in particular. I can't be looking for a whole bunch of different things at one time. I just can't. Sometimes I just can't, y'all. Okay? So I just wanted to focus on, the soft stuff. I told y'all I needed pillows because it just has a chaise lounge in my TV room that I'm working on, and the folk that wanted to get comfortable on the floor when they come and visit, they need to be able to be comfortable, okay? So for those of you that are new over here, welcome. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm working on my TV room. I have to remember, I just started off talking like everybody has been looking at the series of these videos, and some people are just coming on and thinking, okay, what's she talking about? I'm working on my TV room, y'all, okay? So I'm having to shop, and when I shop, I'm doing hauls, and I'm just sharing what I'm getting before I put everything together, okay? So this is the pillow that was in the thumbnail, y'all. It's so soft. See how big it is, and it's long. Let me see. Look at it. Y'all, this pillow, this big fluffy, all this fluffy goodness came from the Dollar General. $12. Now, I just happened to be in there that day, and I was looking for something else. And, if I go in a store, if I know I need something like, I was going to be focused on pillows, I just decided to peep at the pillows and, ooh, okay. So, this is my first one. It's so, y'all, that is soft. Next, we have this one here. Isn't that pretty, you guys? And my accent wall in my TV room is this color. I couldn't resist this one because it was like a perfect match. And this one came from HomeGoods, and it was $19.99 times 2. So I just decided to grab 2 of these. I love it. And you can see just a little hint. Can you guys see just a little hint of that, the silver in there? I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it's pretty. It's fluffy. And it's soft as well. It's interesting because, let me see, they do have the zippers. They have the zippers on the back. Let me see what's in here. I've never opened it up. Let's see. Okay. So if I wanted to take this out, I don't see why I would. I think I'd be afraid to try to wash this. Let me see what it's filled with. Is it telling me? It's not telling me. Okay. I didn't know if it was some feathers or what in here, but anywho. $19.99 HomeGoods. Alright. And next up we have the same style. And this one came from Marshall's. Same price. $19.99. And I felt like this one really go good with the chaise lounge too. Just playing off of the neutrals, the creams, this kind of taupey color. It's going to work great with the chaise lounge. Alright, now this one here, you guys, and it is just, it's crazy the difference in the prices of these pillows. Isn't that pretty? You know, I love playing on the different textures. This feels very velvety. Has a little bit of, you see those lines, like it's a little bit of a print on it, sort of, kind of, with the lines, the stripes. And this is another, how big this pillow is. Let me see. It's sitting on my lap, and you know, it covers my eyes. This huge pillow, $7.99 from Roses. Don't y'all be sleeping on Roses, I'm telling you. Isn't that pretty? And it's just gonna look so good. It just really works with the accent wall, y'all. Okay, let's see. Now, this one here is one that I've had for years. And I've said before that I want this room to be very peaceful and calm. And I love the gold sequin, so I thought it would be perfect to add to my pillow collection. Let's see. Okay. This is the last pillow, and it is my favorite. My favorite. Me and dude number one. He made the mistake of going to HomeGoods with me. And when he made that mistake, after I was in there for a little bit, I wish I had left his tail at home. For real. But anywho, while we were there, I said, babe, I need a pillow with some gold in it. I need some gold, because the accents in here, I'm going to play on the mixed metals with the silver, the gold. I like doing black accents, so all that's going to be going on. It's still going to be peaceful. I know it probably don't sound like it with all that going on, but it is. I promise. It's going to be peaceful, okay? But this one is my absolute favorite. So when we got on the pillow aisle, he got on the aisle a little before I did. He said, babe, there's one right there. And this pillow, it's filled with, I'm going to show it to you. I know you're like, can we see the pillow? I'm getting ready to show it to you in a minute, okay? Just let me talk about it first. It's filled with duck feathers. Thus the reason it's so soft and squishy. And it's so pretty. Y'all look. This is my favorite. This is one. That gold metallic. Y'all, that's pretty. And when I tell you it's soft, it's a nice size as well. But y'all, it's so pretty. This really is my favorite one. I told him, I said, did good. Now, if you want to, you can go and sit in the car and wait on me because I know you're ready to go. But he did good. This is pretty. This is my favorite one, y'all. Okay. And it was, did I tell you how much it was? It was $24.99 from HomeGoods, okay? And then last but not least, I said pillows, and then one more thing. Honey, I covered it up with all my pillows. Another one of my favorite stores. Tuesday morning, y'all. This is a faux fur throw. If I'm gonna be in here with all these pillows, I need some cover. Y'all are, because I'm gonna be looking at TV, I'm gonna be reading and meditating, and I'm gonna be sleeping too. Y'all, I'm gonna be sleeping. It's gonna be a good place for me to take a nap. needed this in my life. Look, y'all, it's so soft. It feels like a skinny teddy bear. You know what I mean? You know, teddy bears are usually big. He feel like this is a teddy bear that did the keto diet or went on Weight Watchers or something. Yeah. It's so soft. It's so stinking soft, y'all. This was it. Now this is a little splurge for me because you know it ain't no whole big old like king size comforter. So, and I walked away from it because I didn't want to pay this, but I did anyway. So it was $49.99. I walked away from it, but then I came back. So, okay. So y'all, I just wanted to show y'all this my haul. This is my haul. My pillow haul. Okay. Like I said, I know I need a few more things because I mentioned something about a table. Didn't I say somebody I need a little table or something? So I have to still pick up a few more things. So we'll probably have one more haul and then it's time to start getting this room together. Okay. Alrighty then. Whew. Man, I tell you, shopping is just a lot of work. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I might take a nap right here for real right now. Anywho, I already look forward to you guys joining me again next time. Y'all push the subscribe button. That's the nosy button. Turn on your notification bell. That shakes something. My husband say people subscribe because they nosy. They want to see what people doing. Y'all just be nosy. Come on over here and see what we doing because we're getting ready to take it real slow. And it's been over 6 years since I've done any changes to our home. And right now I'm just in the mood to do that, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Bye.